Healthcare, robots will assist surgeons in delicate procedures, deliver medications, and provide therapy to patients. Manufacturing, robots will automate tasks, improve efficiency, and reduce human error in factories. Agriculture, robotic systems will harvest crops, monitor fields, and optimize farming practices. Exploration, robots will explore dangerous environments, gather data, and assist in scientific research. Logistics, autonomous vehicles and drones will streamline transportation and delivery processes. Customer service, chatbots and humanoid robots will provide personalized assistance and support. Home automation, robots will perform household chores, manage smart devices, and enhance living experiences.